Behaviors are similar in a way to components in that they allow us to quickly accomplish tasks that would otherwise take a bit of time to set up. The difference with behaviors is that they aren't visual elements themselves. Rather, they're just snippets of pre-formatted action script that we can easily apply to existing things. This, of course, makes it much easier for novice action scripters to create interactivity and some fairly advanced functions in their Flash without having to spend the time learning a bunch of action script that they may never use. Let's get started by opening the Behaviors panel now. Choose Window and Behaviors. Next, let's create two rectangles on our stage. One by drawing, like so, and then one by duplicating. Now we'll take the second rectangle and convert it into a button. Because behaviors are actually bits of ActionScript, they can be applied the same way. Certain actions can be applied to frames, others to buttons, and the rest to movie clips. So it should be no surprise that when we select, say, a keyframe on the timeline and press the Add Behavior button here, we're presented with a collection of actions that we can apply to keyframes. Have a look at the entries under Movie Clip. We see 4 entries that we can apply to keyframes. Now, select our button. Look under Movie Clip again and we see a different list. So Flash really helps us out by giving us lists of actions that apply to the currently selected object. Flash helps you out even more just in case you forget that actions can't be applied to basic drawn artwork. Let's select this first rectangle here. Hit the Add Behavior button and choose Movie Clip, Go To and Play at Frame or Label. Now in this dialog we'll need to select Full Movie is Low, and if we try to use this basic rectangle you can see that it's in parentheses and is automatically given a basic symbol name. Next we decide whether we want relative or absolute addressing or targeting, drop in the frame that we want it to go to, and hit OK. And Flash is nice enough to convert this shape into a movie clip. Of course, it's a pity that we can't name this symbol as we're creating it, but we can forgive that because all we have to do is open the library and we can name it here. So what's actually happened here? Well, Flash has just helped us out by writing some action script. Open the Actions panel with this new movie clip selected. And there we go. Code generated quickly and easily. I'm going to end this lesson by pointing out that behaviors don't just make applying ActionScript easier. They can actually help us learn ActionScript easier. Behaviors are a great supply of instant examples. Just apply one, and then look in the Actions panel at the code. It's great when you can have a little snippet of code in front of you with no distractions, so you can pull it apart and see how it works. And that's it for behaviors. Let's move on.